India 2020 in association with CNBC TV 18.
Hello and welcome to a first of its kind fintech challenge in India, the Visa Everywhere initiative. The initiative is a part of the Global Innovation Program where startups aim to solve payment challenges of tomorrow and enhance their product propositions to provide visionary solutions for Visa's vast network of partners. Let me give you a little background. For 5 years now, the Visa Everywhere Initiative Innovation Challenge has traveled to over 100 countries. Visa, in its quest for innovative solutions and to shape the future of commerce, launched Visa Everywhere Initiative in India with a format adapted to the unique Indian fintech ecosystem. In its maiden year, the Visa Everywhere Initiative India saw massive 400 plus applications from 260 unique fintechs across India, making it the second highest participation after the US. The Visa Everywhere Initiative India 2020 is divided into 3 challenges. Challenge 1, digital issuance for driving access to payments and credit. Challenge 2, driving small merchant acceptance growth. And Challenge 3, digitally transforming the B2B payments value chain. Each applicant of the Visa Everywhere Initiative India 2020 was mentored by subject matter experts of Visa to develop a proof of concept using Visa Developer APIs. Following this, 84 applications were received for the pitch process, of which 43 were nominated for the pitch days. That brought us to the select list of 9 finalists, 3 of whom will be presenting their solutions today in the first challenge round. Before we set the ball rolling for the finale, let me introduce someone who was key to bringing this Global Innovation Challenge to India, Head of Products, India and South Asia Visa, Arvind Ronta. Over to you, Arvind.
Thank you, Shruti. Just to set the context, with the COVID-19 pandemic, clearly social and physical distancing has become the new normal. And financial institutions have witnessed unforeseen challenges because of this pandemic and have started to gear up for radical realignment to this new normal. And what I mean by that is, for example, industry is already reimagining the future of digital banking and through ways in which customers are now going to be digitally onboarded, digitally fully serviced, and Visa is committed to support all our banking partners through technology assets we have, as well as partnerships with fintechs that we can bring to support them in digitally onboarding their customers. So specifically today at the Visa Everywhere Initiative finals, we've brought finalists who are focused on improving the digital onboarding experience. And really excited to hear what participants have today on digital issuance and lending, and excited to hear that and their pitches.
Thank you very much, Arvind, for taking us through the process. Now I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed jury panel. Some of India's brightest and most promising fintech startups will be pitching to this illustrious set of people. Parag Rao, Country Head Payments, Consumer Finance, Marketing and Digital Banking, HDFC Bank. Anurag Sinha, Co-founder and CEO, OneCard. Seaton Kitney, Head of Products and Solutions, Asia Pacific Visa. Arvind Ronta, Head of Products and Solutions, India and South Asia Visa. And finally, Lata Venkatesh, Executive Editor, CNBC TV 18. Dear jurors, welcome to the first leg of the Visa Everywhere Initiative India 2020. Few guidelines: you'll need to score each contestant based on 2 fronts, the solution and the company. On the solution front, the market opportunity, product value proposition, and scalability need to be vouched, while on the company's strength, execution, capability, and the founder's profile should be considered. The challenge for today is digital issuance for driving access to payments and credit. Let's welcome our first finalist. This company offers a range of touchless and contactless products like loans, insurance, and line of credit through its online marketplace, India Lens. Representing India Lens today is its co-founder, Mayank Kachwaha. Hello, Mayank. Let's get started. The rules are simple. You have 10 minutes to make your presentation. This will be followed by a Q&A round with the jury. Good to go? Your time starts now.
About 2015 March is when we launched India Lens. And we were the first ones actually to launch the free credit report product in India in partnership with a large bureau. And so we've been around for now close to 5 years in operations. We've done about close to 1,500 crores in personal loans through the platform, hundreds of thousands of credit card transactions approvals through the platform. And we've actually very recently launched a line of credit product. A lot of customers seem keen on the line of credit product, given the flexibility of the product, right? It's almost like a credit card, though our non-banking finance partners actually don't have the ability, regulatory ability, blessing in that sense, to be able to do revolving lines of credit like credit cards. We've been able to launch a line of credit product with some of those guys. Now, the thought process for this challenge was quite simple, that can I now combine that line of credit product with, let's say, a prepaid card proposition, which could be, let's say, a Visa card, right, in partnership with a large bank. And can I now give access to credit to a larger number of customers to products like credit cards that work like credit cards in a sense, but have a line of credit in the back? Our analysis suggests that there's about close to 25-30% people who revolve credit on credit card balances and tend to pay a pretty high interest rate on those, right? So one of the key things that we were focusing on with our initial offering, which is called TransferX appropriately, is that we're able to actually move some of those balances and give people the flexibility to be able to still use a card product, but reduce the interest rates that they pay on some of their card products, credit cards, plus being able to, and then I think that's just the start for us, right? I think for the relationship, I think the focus is that, we're actually able to go after the next 100 million customers. If we're looking at about 25-30 million who have credit cards right now, how can we go after the next 100 million customers and offer them a card-based product? And I think that's what I think we've been working with Visa very closely actually to launch this product in partnership with some large banks. And that I think we're in advanced stages of actually delivering that.
Mayank, with that, your time is up. Jury, over to you for the questions.
One doubt, because I heard two propositions in the pitch. One is access to credit cards to people who don't get it, and also a solution for existing customers who are revolving to consolidate on a separate platform, probably at a lower rate. So between the two, which one are you more?
For us, I think the starting point, and I think that's the thing that we're going in with, is the TransferX product. The starting point for this is that, we are actually able to help people reduce the interest charges that they pay on their credit card balances, especially the 25-30% people who are revolving on our existing base. We want to offer them a lower interest rate product, but still have the flexibility of being able to use a card on transactions and have a pay-as-you-go sort of product. So I think that's the thing that we're going in with to start things off.
Can I ask, the credit that's being provided is underwritten by banking relationships that you have, or is India Lend getting into the credit provision itself?
We don't have our own balance sheet, so everything is done on other institutions' balance sheet. So we work, like I said, we work with large banks and non-banking finance companies. So the entire balance sheet risk is being taken by them. We own the entire origination of it. So right from actually hosting some of the policies to be able to actually take the customer right through fulfillment. We actually enable fulfillment for all of our transactions. And I mean, at the peak, like right before COVID crisis hit, we were doing about close to 80-85 crores in personal loans originated through the platform, and a few thousand credit card transactions. So we enable the entire fulfillment as well, but no balance sheet risk.
Thank you, Mayank, and good luck. While the jury deliberates and scores for India Lens, let's slip into a short commercial break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
Visa Everywhere Initiative, India 2020, in association